Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about something that I think is really important for all of us, and that's growing our wealth. Now I know that investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But the truth is, it's never too early to start, and it's never too late to begin. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 simple investments that can help you grow $1,000 into $10,000 in just 5 years. That's a 900% return, which is pretty amazing. Now, before we dive in, I just want to say that these investments are for beginners, so don't worry if you don't know a lot about investing. I'll explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. Also, please keep in mind that these are just suggestions, and it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Okay, so let's get started. The first investment I want to talk about is a high-yield savings account. Now I know what you're thinking, a savings account is not really an investment, but hear me out. A high-yield savings account is a type of savings account that earns a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. This means that you can earn around 2% interest per year, which may not seem like a lot, but it's a great place to start, and it's very low risk. For example, if you put $1,000 into a high-yield savings account that earns 2% interest per year, after 1 year, you'll have earned $20 in interest, and you'll have a total of $1,020. Now, that may not seem like a lot, but over time, that interest can really add up. And the best part is you can access your money at any time, so it's a great option if you need easy access to your cash. The second investment I want to talk about is index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that allows you to invest in a variety of stocks or bonds without having to pick individual stocks or bonds yourself. This makes it a great option for beginners because you don't need to have a lot of knowledge about the stock market to get started. For example, you can invest in an index fund that tracks the S&P 500, which is a collection of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the U.S. This means that you'll be investing in companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google without having to pick individual stocks. And the best part is, index funds are typically very low cost, so you won't have to pay a lot of fees to get started. The third investment I want to talk about is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that own or finance real estate properties, and they allow you to invest in real estate without having to directly own physical properties. This makes it a great option if you want to invest in real estate, but you don't have a lot of money to get started. For example, you can invest in a REIT that owns apartment buildings, office buildings, or even shopping centers. And the best part is, REITs are required to pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders, which means that you can earn a steady stream of income from your investment. The fourth investment I want to talk about is a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is a type of investment platform that uses algorithms to invest your money in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This makes it a great option if you're new to investing, because you don't need to have a lot of knowledge about the stock market to get started. For example, you can invest in a robo-advisor that offers a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, and the platform will automatically rebalance your portfolio to make sure that you're taking on the right amount of risk. And the best part is, robo-advisors are typically very low cost, so you won't have to pay a lot of fees to get started. The fifth and final investment I want to talk about is a micro-investing app. Micro-investing apps are a type of investment platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money into a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This makes it a great option if you're just starting out, because you can invest as little as $5 or $10 at a time. For example, you can invest in a micro-investing app that offers a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, and the platform will automatically invest your money into a variety of assets. And the best part is, micro-investing apps are typically very low cost, so you won't have to pay a lot of fees to get started. Now, I know that all of these investments may seem a little overwhelming, but the key is to just get started. You don't need to invest in all of these options at once. You can start with 1 or 2 and then add more over time. And remember, the most important thing is to be consistent and to make investing a regular part of your routine. For example, you could start by investing $100 per month into a high-yield savings account, and then over time, you could add more investments to your portfolio. And the best part is, you can use the power of compound interest to your advantage, which means that your investments can earn interest on top of interest, and that can really add up over time. So to sum it all up, if you want to grow $1,000 into $10,000 in just 5 years, you'll need to earn a return of around 58% per year, which is aggressive, but it's possible. And the key is to be consistent and to make investing a regular part of your routine. You can start by investing in a high-yield savings account, index funds, REITs, a robo-advisor, or a micro-investing app, and then add more investments to your portfolio over time. And remember, investing is a long-term game. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, so you need to be patient and you need to be disciplined. But if you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to take the time to learn, you can achieve your financial goals and you can grow your wealth over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.